By 2060, the Muslim population is expected to exceed over 31% of the global population and will need to consume a variety of halal products. It presents a strong business case for investment. That's according to the government and local stakeholders in the halal sector, who will be showcasing their products and services in the halal space as part of the first Africa Halaal Week. The event forms part of the local government's strategic plans of establishing the province as Africa's halal hub.
There's huge opportunity since we started Project Kulisa and focusing on halal exports from the region. We, in the last 3 years, have expanded our exports by 900 million, so now we're sitting at over 10 billion rands worth of exports from the region. And what's happening now with Halal Week, it really starts to position us, it takes us to the next level. It's sort of like the next thing in the sequence of making sure that we are playing a prominent role in the $750 billion market just in Africa.
And just $36 billion of that $750 billion is currently certified as halal, presenting a huge opportunity for companies in the Western Cape, especially from sectors like cosmetics and agro-processing. All 5 local halal certification bodies will also participate at the Halal Week, along with many suppliers of halal foods. And there's more.
We've aiming to have 100 Western Cape companies exhibit at the expo. These companies will be halal certified, of course. The investment team is bringing down key opinion leaders and 2 investors to have a look at the offerings in the Western Cape, including the halal parks that have been identified.
Last year, 6 buyers from countries including Malaysia, Singapore and the UK purchased over $6.5 million worth of halal goods from 30 local companies. Plans for a dedicated halal zone are also at an advanced stage. 3 sites have been chosen as potential locations for the halal food park, with Cape Town International Airport looking as the most strategic at this point.
There's been engagements with the municipalities in which the parks are based. We obviously want to see incentives being offered by the municipalities for companies to actually invest in the parks, and we are consulting national government, particularly the Department of Trade and Industry, to try and create more hype and investment around the parks as well.
And to share with you
From an African perspective, a focus has been on servicing countries in West Africa, including Nigeria, Cameroon, Senegal and Ghana. But the hope is that the African Halal Week will expand the region's halal export footprint even beyond the continent. Travers, CGTN, Cape Town.